Alright guys, how you doing? Alright, no video today. Didn't have time, I was doing a bit of the Kev's hack stuff, so you can have a look at my other channel. I'll put a link in the description, guys, and you can have a see what I've been up to down there. Little bit of help I'd like from you guys, if possible. I want to make my channel better, you know, and I could do some input from you guys. So if you can give me some tips, what you'd like to see more of, if you want the videos longer or shorter, or more wrenching or more bashing. I mean, I know everyone wants a lot more bashing, but now it's winter. It's cold outside, it's wet, it's raining, it's windy. I live in the UK, it's not nice out there, and to me, that's no fun. I mean, RC is all about having fun. It's all about being out with your buddies, having a laugh. And when you're outside and you're freezing and you can't feel your fingers, and that's no fun. So I don't do too much of that these days. So there'll be a few more sort of like Bitcoin type videos I'm going to be putting up in that time. So, but don't worry guys, come the summer there'll definitely be more RC stuff, but I do want to step it up. I've got some new camera gear coming, I've got some new ideas coming, and it should be a pretty good year guys. I'm pretty excited. I've also got the monster truck that I want to try and finish this year, so I'm going to try and document most of that build as well. And I think that's pretty much it guys. So, another thing here, competition. Like I said, when I get to 30,000 subscribers, there's going to be a giveaway. And this is a lighting set. It's supposed to be for like a touring car or a drift car, something like that. But there's probably no reason why you can't fit that to like a rock crawler or to an X-maxx or anything like that. So you get a load of LEDs in there, a load of connections and stuff. So I'm going to let you know in the next video, guys, what you got to do to win that. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, alright, guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button, stay notified. Alright, guys, see you soon.